Hi, I'm Matt Manugian with Good Company Real Estate, and today's video is all about sellers' needs right now. Now, each individual seller is different. However, there are some top needs that are coming up over and over again for sellers in today's market. I'm going to run through the top three really quickly, and then we'll circle back around. So number one, post-possession. Number two, a direct cash offer. And number three is minimal repairs requested. So let's go back to number one, post-possession. Right now, sellers need to rent back the place that they are selling to the buyer in order to not make a double move. That adds an extra expense and a lot of logistical stuff. So to avoid that, you may be able to offer it up to a seller if you're trying to buy their home and get better terms for you, which is usually a lower price. Number two, a cash offer. If you have the means to do it, giving them a cash offer may be able to negotiate yourself a lower price as well, and it will allow you to close on the home quicker, which typically for a seller is a good thing. Number three is minimal repairs. In order to get that initial offer accepted from a seller, you want to let them know that you're not going to request every little repair, and really only the things that are absolutely necessary for your loan to close if you're using a loan. And if it's cash, as is even better. So those three things are pivotal for you to get a great offer accepted by a seller today and get yourself a great deal. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Good Company Real Estate agent today. We're happy to help you.